Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be taking you through adding and media and linking in Microsoft Office Word. So let's talk about the adding. Adding, it helps us, or with the help of adding groups, user can add more additional programs to Word. For example, we have the Wikipedia. We have Wikipedia app to Word file. After this, we can easily have access to the information containing in it and use it in our Word document. Many other commands and features can be added to Word using add-ins. By using these tools, user can increase the functionalities of the Word. You will easily see two options inside this group. Inside the group, we have these two options. We have get add-ins and my add-ins. So get add-in option will open the window of Office Store from where you can search for add-in and add them to Word file, like I had this Wikipedia and emoji. Then get my add-ins option. This option to access the add-in you have already added. Like if I've had many add-in to my Word file, so I can see all the add-in that I already added to my Word. Like I have Wikipedia and then emoji keyboard. So let's see the add-in I have. I only have two. Let's get it. See all. So here I have the emoji keyboard and Wikipedia, which I display in my insert tab here. You see. So if I need to add more add-ins, so I have to use the options get in add-ins. So this is the Microsoft Office Store where you can add more add-ins to your Word. We have the categories of add-ins. We have communication, document review, editor pick, educational file converter, Microsoft 360 certified, productivities, reference, save marketing, search, training, and utilities. So these all contain each one of these. You see that? So these are the varieties of add-ins that we have in our Word file. You see? So if I should, let me assume I want to add a file converter. That is, maybe I want to convert my PDF to Word file, so I can easily add the add-ins to my Word. Click on it, it will load all the add-in that you can use to convert email text or your PDF file, or to import from other source. You see? Let's assume I want to add this result post. So allow user of this race decides to edit templates such as the generation of PDFs, email, and text. So if you click on add, automatically this add-in will add to your Word file. You can see you have PDF filler, edit your PDF. That is, you can easily edit your PDF file through this add-in. So it depends on the kind of add-in that you are looking for. So you can get it through the Office add-in store. The next groups we'll be looking at in our Microsoft Office Word, we'll be looking at the media. We have the media option. In media group, you will see the option of online video. By clicking on this, you can insert any online video anywhere in the page. Copy the URL of any video you want to import in the page and copy it in the box of the insert video. For example, I prepared this document in Microsoft. Do you see? I prepared this up in Microsoft. Maybe I want to know the history of Microsoft. I can go to my YouTube. So I need the video. So just come to your YouTube and type history. History of Microsoft. It's loading. The history and size of Microsoft, this here, or the story of Microsoft. So it depends on the video that you would like to import in your document, or how Bill made Microsoft. So if you can pick any one of these to add to your Word file. So let's assume I want to use this first one here. Let me use this. Click on this video like this, and on your search bar, this is the URL that you are asked to copy. And it does this. So copy this URL, select it and right click, then click on copy. Then go back to your Word file. So let's assume I want that video to appear here. So place your cursor here, then click on online. Notice this, if I should paste that link here, I will only have it as a link. So I have to click on it, I have to hold my control and click on it, then to take me to my browser to open this video. So me using online video, which means I want the video to fully appear on my Word file. So click on online video, then paste the URL you copy from your YouTube and paste it in this. Enter the URL or embed the embed code for the online video. So paste it here, then click on insert. Automatically you have the video that you copy from the YouTube on your Word document. You can resize it to make it full the page like this, or you can adjust it the way you want it. And once you import it, you see this option telling you how you can decorate it, how you can fill it into your Word file. You can also crop it, but for now let me just use this. Let me use soft edge now. So anytime I send this document to anybody that I want to have the access, so immediately they click on this, they can easily play the video. So immediately you click on it, it will start playing the video in your document. I hope this is clear. So the next one you'll be looking at in our insert tab, you'll be looking at the link. This option can be used to link a web page or other file in a Word document. Are you with me? For example, I want to know the full documentary of Microsoft. Now I go to my browser, then I've searched for Microsoft. Can you see this? This is the URL on Wikipedia that I search for Microsoft. So I can copy this link, Now go back to my Word file. So immediately I click on this stuff, it will take me to the Wikipedia to read more about the Microsoft. So how do I link this in my Word file? So select this and click on link. From your link, it will open this insert hyperlink. You see this? Then link to, we have link to exist file or web page, place in this document, create a new book, email address. So in this dialog box, what we'll be using the existing file or web page. Click on it and address. The link, the URL I copy from Wikipedia, I will just paste it inside here. Immediately I paste it, you see text to be displayed. This stuff that I copy will not be displayed, but this will be displayed, which is the Microsoft that I highlighted. Then now I can click OK. Now this is now in form of a link. This is not text, this is now a link. So immediately I hover my mouse on this Microsoft, you see the URL telling me what to do with this link. Hold your control and click on it to follow the link. So once you hold your control, you see this hand will be hover on your Microsoft. But if I should drop my control, you see the cursor telling you to type. But if I should pick here, it means I want to click on this is a link. So if I should hold my control, then I click on it, automatically it will take me to my web browser. You see, asking me what do you want to open this with. So let's assume I don't want to choose any default now, so I want to use Google Chrome. So just click OK. So automatically it will open the Microsoft with Wikipedia. You see that? So from here I can read more about the Microsoft. So that's how we link in Microsoft Office Word through the internet. And the next one we have in our Word, in the link, we have what we call the bookmark. The bookmark option. This option is used to create a bookmark inside documents. If your document is very large and you want to reach a specific point of the page quickly, then you can book it by creating a link to it. For example, I've created this document. Now I have my table of contents. If you check my Word pages, I have 14 pages here. So I want it that I don't have to scroll down to history before I can get to history. So immediately I click on history, it will just take me down to where I have history. Where is history? Where I have history. Let me take this back to this page. You see? And immediately I click on 1972/-1985 funding. Immediately I click on it, it will automatically take me to where the story starts from. So by so doing, we'll be using our bookmark to do so. So now let's bookmark this history by selecting it, then click on bookmark. Now you can give this a name. Let's call it history. Just give me that name like that. Then I'll click add. You see that? Now I want to link this to this history that I have here. Now I'll click on link. Then click on what? Place in document, that is place inside this document. Then inside my document, can you see we have bookmark? The bookmark I just created is what? Is list, right? So click on it, then click on paste. So automatically this will take me, I made a mistake. Let's go back. Let's do it one more time. So now, sorry about that. This history, immediately I click on this history, it will automatically bring me to where the history starts from. So I don't have to scroll down. So now I'll select this stuff, go back to my bookmark. Let me call this story, then add. You see that? Then go back to my table of contents, then select this history, then click on link. That is, I'm linking that history from the body to the content. So click on link. Now inside my bookmark, inside my link, you click on place in this link, then you have this. This you have the bookmark 3. Then click on, select it and click on OK. So this stuff I've changed to what? To link. So immediately I move my mouse on it. If I click on this, it will not make any effect. So I have to hold my control, then I'll click on it. Automatically it will take me to the page that I have the history. Do you see that? The next one we'll be looking at now is I want to link the funding. So immediately I click on my table of contents on funding, it will automatically bring me to page 5. So select this funding, then click on bookmark. Now I want to add more bookmark to this. I'll remove this. Now then I will just let me call this font. Then I will click on add. After adding, go back to your table of contents, then select all of this, then click on link. Click on place in these documents. You see I've already linked this three. Then the next one I'm linking now is font. Click on it, then you click OK. So automatically, if I should bring my mouse here, I click on my control, then I click on this, it will jump to page 5. Do you see? So I can read about 1972 to 1985 funding. I can read about it. Microsoft Word is very sweet and nice, easy to understand. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and God bless me. Stay tuned to my next video. I'll be releasing video on comments, head and footer, text, symbol, and so on. Thank you. God bless me and God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share the video. Thank you.